Alright guys, we have another car in for a ceramic coating. We'll be using the Shine BX. I think this is about a 2019 Toyota hybrid. Looks to be in fairly good condition. We have a little bit of marring here and throughout the vehicle. We'll need to do a one step here. This is the Prius. Nice color, nice car. So we'll clean it up for him. They are on vacation and left it with me to take my time with, since I have other things to do, so that makes it nice and easy. And we'll do this in stages, so stay tuned for the video. All right, so let's start off. Let's do a clean on the full wheel and tire. So we're gonna spray some wheel cleaner here. These are pretty small. guys, so we got the first part of the prep. We are doing a ceramic coating on this car with the Shine BX coating. So we need to prep the car. We wash the wheels, rims, tires, everything. Then we wash the car. We iron deconned it. We put some more iron soap on there. Then we clayed it, rinsed that off, and then we dried it. So that's where we are at the end of part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 in the Shine BX coating series. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button, guys.